Hello everyone, Steve Bertram from Flex Realty here. I'm just at my newest listing at number 7. We're at 2710 Allenby Way in beautiful 55 plus Gracelands. And wow, what a beautiful unit it is. Double garage, it's got a full basement underneath it. And look at the proximity to everything. I mean, you've got the parking over there for the visitors. And then over here you've got just a whole bunch of space between you and the next unit. So it's a corner unit, which is the best. And yeah, well, let's go and have a look inside. It's got a big double garage for your vehicles, and then a really nice inviting front entry, complete with flowers and some rockery here. Let's go have a look inside. The minute you come in, you're greeted by a hall closet, a really nice big entryway, plenty of room for people to take their shoes and coats off. And then right over here, as soon as you come in, is this fabulous living room. The living room has some really nice big bay windows out front. And then of course there's the gas fireplace. And then to here where the dining room is, the formal dining room. There's some natural light, plenty of room for your china cabinets or what have you, and a hutch. And then here we've got this fantastic kitchen area. There's room for a table here, a little bistro set if you want to have a breakfast area. And then of course you've got everything redone as far as appliances and countertops goes. And then out the back here, we've got this fantastic patio. Bring your family and friends. There's lots of room to barbecue and entertain. It's a beautiful stamped concrete patio, so it's just really nice on the feet. And there's both a covered area and an uncovered area over here. So it's got a really big backyard and privacy galore. And then looking back here, it's just a beautiful spot for you to have your privacy. Your neighbor's quite a ways over there, so it's just a fantastic backyard. Feels like there's hardly anybody else around. Back inside through the kitchen, and we'll have a look at the second bedroom over here. The second bedroom has a nice big closet, and of course it's got a nice window to let in natural light. And then going over here, there's a full main bathroom. It's got a tub shower and lots of vanity room. And then over here, we've got this fantastic laundry room that's just nice and organized with lots of cabinetry on both sides. And then into the garage. The double garage has lots of natural light through the windows in the door here. Plus you've got this really bright LED light set here that's got nice crisp white light to work with. Tons of cabinetry. There's a bench over there that could be included. And amazingly enough, there's also this fantastic sink for washing things up. It's enormous and it's made of stainless steel, so it's beautiful as well. And then of course more shelves and cabinetry over there, so it's a great garage. Let's go and have a look back inside. From the mudroom here in the laundry room, we go into the master bedroom, and wow, this is a great master bedroom. Big enough for really any set you could want. And then of course there's a walk-in closet and a little curio shelf here with a light in it, really neat. And then in here, we've got of course the full master ensuite with a tub shower. There's a ton of vanity and cabinet space, and then we've even got skylights up here, so it feels like the lights are on even when they're not. It's beautiful and bright. Let's go have a look down in the basement. It's really nice big basement, fully finished. And look, there's even a chair lift here in case you have any mobility issues. That could be included for anybody who's interested. Let's go have a look in the basement. Coming down into the basement, we're immediately greeted by this little nook here where you could put a desk or anything you wanted, a little workspace. There's a nice big bathroom down here. It's just a two-piece, but it's big enough for your guests to use in the night. A little bit of extra storage in there. And then over here, we have another little office space, which could be used for anything. And this is a great craft room. They were using it for crafts. It's got some built-in shelving here. And you know, a nice bright workspace with these big fluorescent lights here. Over here we have the rec room area, which is really nice. It's got a little theater alcove over here if you wanted. This is just some cabinets that they've got that could be included if you like for storage. And then there's this space here which could be used as another bedroom. Another thing that's really of note of this house is they've just replaced the furnace and the hot water tank and the AC unit as well. So all that's been new and redone, and most of the poly B has been removed. Don't miss out on this fabulous opportunity in Gracelands. This is unit number 7. It's available and ready for you. You can book a showing at 250-306-7575 or at vernonhomesonline.com. I'm Steve Bertram, Flex Realty. Thanks for touring our property with us today. Have a great day.